Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the TUSK side view mirror kit. We do have this mounted on a 2024 Kawasaki KRX 1000. We do have this mirror kit available for about every side-by-side on the market. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how the mirror mounts and how it looks. You do have a great visibility with this glass. It's very optically clear. You can run the mirror anywhere along the bar on the KRX, from all the way down on this side all the way up to about right here. So anywhere you'd like to put placement on there, that's totally up to you. You have a ton of adjustment in this, not only how far up and down the bar, but this also can pivot right here. It also has a breakaway function if you happen to smack a tree or an obstacle, or just pulling it tight in your toy hauler, need a little bit of extra room, get it out of the way, just simply fold it in. The glass itself is also adjustable. Just make sure that you undo these two screws on the back, pull this plate off and loosen the nut on the back side in order to adjust that glass. Now you can leave it snug to where you can move this glass without taking that back plate off and adjusting it. You might get a little bit of vibration on the mirror itself, but if you find yourself not needing to adjust it at all as you're going down the trail or with different drivers, just firm up that nut on the back and it'll keep that glass from jiggling a little bit while you're going down the trail. The strap clamp works really well with about every windshield that's out there. It's got a very thin profile to it, as you can see here. We do have the full glass windshield on this one, and the TUSK mirror works just fine. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. We'll also post up in the description below where you can go on and place your order today.